Hi, I am Laura Oxner, and this is my 15112 term project Passer Pro. Passer Pro requires the installation of Pygame and OpenCV. A projector is also necessary to display the game to the user. First, I am going to walk you through the user interface and then show users playing the game. First, when you run the game, this window pops up and it is in Pygame. As you can see, there are two modes that the user can choose: the reaction game mode and the time game mode. These are buttons and they light up when the user's cursor is over them. If the user clicks the help button, they can get information about the game and how you have to throw the ball only at the green targets to gain points, and that there's always a timer that runs down. In the reaction game mode, different target colors will display onto the projected screen, and the user must only hit the green dots or else they would lose points. However, in the time mode, there are only green targets, and these targets will stay until the user hits the target. Now, if the user chooses a mode, they are prompted to type in their name. Then a countdown timer displays, so they can get ready to play the game. Now, the OpenCV screen shows up right when they hit play, and I fast forward the game so you can see the game over screen. As you can see, the player's name is displayed along with their score. Also, the player has an option to go all the way back to the home screen or check out the high scores. If they hit the high scores, they are prompted to see the high scores in both of the modes. In order to keep track of the high scores, I used text files that were in the folder where my Python application was. These files were rewritten every time the file was run, and I used recursion to go through them and find the highest scores and draw them onto the high score screen. Now I'll show you people playing the game. This is the reaction mode. The player is shown a series of dots that change about every second, and the color of the dots is random as well as their position. The player earns points by hitting only the green targets. This is the time mode. A player is only shown one green dot at a time and it does not change. The player must hit this dot to move on to a new dot and will earn points by hitting each dot. To the left is what the computer sees, and to the right is what the user sees. In order to see if the ball collided with the target, I had to create a pixel to foot ratio by integrating between the OpenCV window and the Pygame window. The bounding rectangle, which is the purple rectangle you see in the OpenCV window, was used to find this pixel to foot ratio. I then would calculate the expected radius of the ball when it hit the wall, and then while the program was running, I would track the radius of the ball.